Hi all. This week you'll be doing a couple of things in addition to taking your nutshell quiz. First, you'll be reading an overview of pi in Math Through the Ages. As you can imagine, the number pi makes for a very interesting strand in the history of mathematics. It was estimated by many people throughout the history of math, perhaps first by the scribe Ahmose in the Rind papyrus from ancient Egypt, in which the scribe is asked to compute the area of a round field, and this problem implicitly gives an estimate of pi. In fact, it turns out to be about 3.16. It was further estimated by other people in antiquity, including Archimedes, and we'll be discussing his important and influential estimate of pi in next week's lessons. Other people, famous people, approximated pi, including Isaac Newton, who for the first time used infinite series as a method for approximating pi. So we learn also that pi is irrational. This was discovered in the mid-1700s by Lambert, and also that pi is transcendental, which was proved by Lindemann in 1882. It turns out that that result is very important to prove that the squaring the circle by traditional compass and straight edge methods is impossible. So in addition to reading about pi, we're also going to watch a video about the ancient Greek mathematician Eratosthenes. So Eratosthenes was a contemporary of Archimedes, and he did a number of things, including he developed a sieve for prime numbers that you might have heard about. But what the video tells us about is Eratosthenes' simple and brilliant estimate of the circumference of the Earth. It's a very interesting story. The video is narrated by Carl Sagan, who himself is a rather important historical figure of 20th century science. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this week.